Hi, I wanted to share with you a really easy appetizer that comes together with just a few ingredients, and also share a little bit of my inspiration for this. So this week I received a sneak peek of this plum basil balsamic vinegar that the subscribers for Quail and Olives Club are going to be getting in November. And Annie asked me if I could come up with some recipes to share with you, and this is the second one that I've decided to share, and it again inspired by this plum basil balsamic, and it just takes a few ingredients. So this is fresh figs, which I was still lucky enough to find in the store last week and this week, so I'm not sure how long they're in season, but while they are, go grab them. Fresh basil and feta. So I pre-cut the figs. I just cut the stem off and then in half, and you can see that here. But all I'm going to do is take 2 tablespoons of crumbled feta, about a teaspoon of fresh basil, a teaspoon, I like the Doctor's Blend olive oil. It's about a teaspoon. Some salt, just a couple grinds of pepper. And then you just sort of mix it up a little bit. If you don't think you have enough for the figs that you've prepared, you can go ahead and just repeat those proportions. I think I might do a little bit more just to be on the safe side. So again, I'm doing 2 tablespoons feta, a teaspoon of basil, and about a teaspoon of olive oil, salt, pepper, and then just mix it up. Okay, once you have that mixture, you're just going to stuff your figs. And so again, I cut the stems off, sliced them in half but not all the way through, and then just gave them a little pinch so that I can stuff in there. And it can be messy, so just stick some of the mixture in each fig. And then you can just do a little salt, a little pepper, and then what inspired this whole dish to begin with, the plum basil vinaigrette, or vinegar. And you just do a quick little drizzle. And there you have it. Easy stuffed feta figs with the plum basil vinaigrette, or vinegar, sorry, from Quail and Olive, and their Doctor's Blend olive oil. So that again is just what inspired me was this vinegar and in-season figs that I happened to find and basil that I still saw at the store. I hope that this recipe inspires you to get out there and be creative with what ingredients you have and get into your kitchen and make a delicious mess. If you like this video, please click like. The recipe and links to our social media handles will be in the description below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Culinary Cam.